Hello, my people. Good day. Dumelang, Sawubona. Hello, all my people of South Africa. I live in South Africa. This is our country now. I want to tell you a truth today, that you must please research it. You can Google it, you can go to the libraries, you can search it and you will see I'm not lying to you. Now in the old South Africa, white tax money, only the white people's tax money was used to build South Africa. There was no tax money of black people being used. So there was no tax on black people. Now you want to blame everything on apartheid. So it's apartheid's fault. But in the apartheid era, it was only the white man's tax, the people that worked, the tax money that was used to build up Bophuthatswana, and build up Ciskei, and build up Transkei, to give you, the Bantu people, your own homeland. Listen carefully. Land. Homeland. Your own land. There were no tax money used from the black people to build up the homelands. Transkei, Ciskei, Bophuthatswana. It was all in the apartheid government, white tax money, that built universities for you to better yourself, black man. It was all white man's tax money that built hospitals for you, black man. Don't believe me? Go to your local library or go search it on Google. In the apartheid government, black people did not pay tax, but the white man's tax built hospitals for you and universities for you, where black doctors were educated to be a doctor, where black teachers were educated to be teachers, where black people were being lifted up to look after your own. But yeah, apartheid was terrible. In the old South Africa, no black man or black woman paid taxes. They used the white man's tax to build hospitals. They used the white man's tax to build schools. They used the white man's tax to build universities. They used the white man's tax to uplift you. Now what did you do, black man? You burnt it. And now in the new South Africa, you want to stand up and say, it's apartheid's fault. Please Black man, black woman, do some research. There. I don't want to be ugly, but do research. The old apartheid government gave you all the fucking opportunities to lift yourself up, to learn, to be doctors. We built from white tax money, we built universities. From white tax money, we built hospitals. From white tax money, we built schools. For children, black children, to be educated. And now, what do you want to do? You want to come and destroy my white school. You destroyed the white universities, Stellenbosch, Wits, RAU, Randse Afrikaanse Universiteit. You fucking destroyed it. You lowered the pass marks to 30%. Black man, wake up. Your own black government is fucking you up the arse. They bought up, they took off all the Vaseline from the racks and they fucking you dry in the ass. But yeah, it's my fault that you don't want to learn. And now, you want to say, hey, no Oranje. Then Oranje, I dare you, go to Oranje. You, as a black man, can't live there, but go there. And look, the streets are clean. There's no load shedding. There's no potholes in the road. Everything's working there. But you don't like it. You come into where I live. You come into my neighborhood now. Listen. It's supposed to be peace and quiet now. But you come and disturb my peace and quiet. Because you're black. Look at your children in your school. Look at what your black people are doing to your own people. Black on black violence, You're raping your children. You're killing your children. You're selling your children for muti. Here I work on the mines. You can see I'm working mine. I'm wearing a mine shirt. They stole an albino child here in Carletonville. They stole an albino child. And they killed that child for muti. Does the white people do that? Do I come as a white person there to you, as a sangoma or a witch doctor, and steal your fucking children and sell it as muti? Look at yourself, man. You are fucking up your own country. You're fucking up your children's future. You're fucking up everything. And now when you say, I'm the racist. You are the racist, man. Look at what you're doing to yourselves, And if I decide I want to live separately from your devil fucking shit, you want to tell me I'm wrong. I don't want to live in your devil community where you rape your own children and rape your women and kill your women and do fucking ugly things towards your own people. Now you want to call me a racist because I want to live in my own place. I want to live separately from your diabolical fucking shit, Wake up, black man. Your government does not care about you. Cyril Ramaphosa, He's a billionaire. But still, he hides dollars in his furniture. Julius Malema, he's a millionaire. Ne? But still, he refuses to pay fucking taxes to the South African government there. Eskom is down. Nothing's working there. The roads are full of potholes under this new government. Spoornet, Transnet, Postkantoor, the post office is fucked because it's under black government day. Because you black people broke it down. The white people built it up. But still, we are wrong. You know what, fuck off there to Black Africa, to the north, Why are our borders open to illegal immigrants, If you guys, the black guys, have violence against other black guys, it's called xenophobia. Because the Nigerians are here. They're selling our children. They're cutting up our children, black children, for muti. But then it's xenophobia, no racism. When I open up my mouth, then I'm a racist. Fuck this open borders. Fuck Julius Malema. Fuck Cyril Ramaphosa. Fuck the ANC government that has fucked up our country for 30 years. They break down. No hospitals have been built. No schools have been built. They're coming with the Bella Act. And now, black people can't even put their own children in black schools because the schools are overcrowded with foreigners. Zimbabwe's, Botswana's, Nigerians, Somalians, DRC Congo children. Our schools are overcrowded by foreigners. And you don't have a place for your children. And then you want to say, hey, the white schools, Afrikaans schools must be fucking also overrun by this shit, You, black South African citizen, you're stupid. Your eyes are fucking stupid. There, inside, you've got two marbles in a fucking tin can, spinning around. You don't know what's going on. Ja, but Viva ANC, vote ANC, vote EFF, vote MK. Conte wil sweet say, vote for them, But you're stupid. Ja, kill the boer, kill the farmer, Like Julius Malema sings on Human Rights Day. What he's saying to me is, I'm not a human. I'm gonna fucking... But then I'm a racist, if I say that. Kill Malema. One blade, one throat. Kill the blacks. But now I'm a racist, because of the stupidity of Malema and Ramaphosa. And Zuma. And Nkandla, 247,000 million fucking rands have been wasted there. But he buys a white Lamborghini and says, that's an ambulance. He builds a big pool at Nkandla. Says, no, that's a fire pool. Yeah, he rapes fucking a young one. And says, no, it's not my rape. I took a shower. You fucking stupid black people. You black people are stupid. Viva ANC. You're all being dumb. Your government does not give a fuck about you. They're robbing you blind. They're robbing you blind. They don't give a fuck about you. But still you vote for them. Oh, viva, viva, ANC. Oh, viva, fucking julle is 'n klomp dom poeste. That's why I want to live on my own, in my own area. Because I can't live with stupidity around me. Go back there to North Africa, West Africa, East Africa. Fuck off, man, uit my land uit. Because you're stupid, julle is 'n klomp dom naiers, man.